When I think about the energy at CodeCrafts, it was exciting. There was possibility in the air, and everybody was just happy to be there, be together, and be part of that community.
If I were to sum up CodeCrafts in 3 words, they would be learn, teach, and have fun. And that's what brings us to here.
Everyone is here to learn something new and to move forward and to evolve. And that's what I really like as a really welcoming community to be part of.
There are so many skilled software developers here. And what CodeCrafts do is to offer a really good venue for them to meet, exchange ideas, and listening to inspiring talks. I truly enjoyed the day.
One aspect of CodeCrafts that excites me the most is looking into the software development from different perspectives: architecture, agile, and coding.
Very inspiring talks, very good topics, and I'm really hyped for what's to come.
All 600 coders are in the room. It's like so energetic, and we feel like what's new is coming in AI or the software development.
As a speaker at CodeCrafts, I hope to inspire attendees to build more sustainable products.
It's about to sharing the experiences and to talking to each other. So I think this is one of the great things CodeCrafts is accomplishing here.
My favorite thing about CodeCrafts is the way the organizers make sure everything runs great and smoothly. It's a great experience for the speakers and the attendees alike, so it's just a pleasure to be in Vienna for CodeCrafts.
The most valuable takeaway from CodeCraft is always learn. There's always something to learn. And what a great place to learn than CodeCrafts.